Welcome to Leavenworth, where homeowners take pride in their properties. But clogged gutters can lead to water damage and pest issues. That's where our gutter covers come in. With years of expertise in gutter protection, we offer solutions designed to keep your gutters clean and efficient throughout the year. Our gutter covers prevent clogs, leaks, and costly repairs. In Leavenworth, many homes face gutter-related damage annually. Don't let yours be one of them. Our gutter covers effectively keep debris out of your gutters, ensuring a smooth flow of water away from your home. This not only protects your property from water damage, but also boosts its curb appeal and value. Ready to protect your gutters? Contact us today. Call the Gutter Guys at 866-931-8441 or visit our website at https://thegutterguys.lc. The Gutter Guys, your reliable partner in keeping your home safe, beautiful, and worry-free. Reach out now and see the difference. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your gutters with the Gutter Guys today.